In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Facebook ad post in Canva. We'll keep it simple, fast, and polished so you can launch eye-catching ads in minutes. Start by opening a template in Canva. From the homepage, search for Facebook post or Facebook ad to get the right dimensions and layout options. Pick a template that matches your brand vibe, minimal, bold, or playful, because it will guide your design choices. Next, change the background color. With the canvas selected, click the color tile in the top toolbar and choose a base that aligns with your brand. To add depth, choose any gradient style. You can select a pre-built gradient background or apply a gradient element and stretch it to fill the frame. Aim for contrast so your text remains easy to read. Click on text and add a heading. Type any words that express your main offer or hook. Keep it short and benefit-focused for ad performance. Change the font to something legible and on brand. Pair a bold headline with a clean secondary font if needed. With your text selected, click on the highlight option to give it a background highlight or effect so it pops off the gradient. Rotate slightly using the circular handle to add a dynamic angle, then resize the text so it fits comfortably with balanced margins. Upload an image you want to use as a design element. With it selected, click on BG Remover to remove the background for a clean, cutout look. Put the image at the top layer so it sits above the background and interacts nicely with your text. Now click on Edit Image, then choose Duotone. Select any duotone filter that complements your gradient and lower the transparency so it acts as a soft visual accent. Resize this image to frame your headline without stealing attention. Duplicate the image to create a layered effect. Resize the duplicate a bit smaller and adjust its transparency a bit higher than the first. This subtle variation creates depth and motion while staying on brand. Now upload the main image, the hero visual you want to feature. Use BG Remover again to keep it clean and professional. Resize it so it's prominent but doesn't cover your headline, and reposition it for balance. Keep important parts of the image away from the edges so nothing gets cropped in previews. Review your layout, check contrast and legibility, and make sure the message is crystal clear. That's it. You've designed a polished Facebook ad post in Canva that's ready to grab attention.